So here we have a very nice example of a Hartford PBM135, 5 controlled axes, horizontal boring, milling and drilling machine. It is a machine that was built in 2017, first commissioned 2018, very low run hours, approximately 1300 hours running time. And it has a table of 1600 by 1400 millimeters, an x-axis 2.5 meters, y-axis 2 meters, z-axis in feeding column 1500 millimeters, 60 station tool changer BT50, 20 bar through spindle coolant, and fully enclosed machine. FANUC 31i control with Hartford software also. So the machine is available now from TW Ward. The machine is equipped with a nice tooling package, small right angle milling head, plenty of BT50 tools, probably about 80 pieces in total, all included with the machine. Front platform for the operator to load and unload, and it has a side platform as well, where the operator stands by the control. And as you can see with the opening doors, there's very good access to the machine as well. The table is a full B-axis, so 0.01 degree increment programming. The spindle stroke is 700 millimeters, the spindle diameter 130 millimeters. For the purposes of the demonstration, we have overridden the interlocks on the machine so that we can see more what's happening and get a better impression of what's actually taking place, which is just showing all the axes moving, the B-axis table and the spindle running at around 1000 RPM. The machine currently has about 1300 hours of cutting time, so very low hours usage. So we go to tool change position. We have 60 stations tool changer, on a BT50 spindle. And it's a 4-speed gearbox on this machine, so it's 50 horsepower, 37 kilowatts through a 4-speed gearbox built into the headstock, so very, very high torque. B-axis rotary table, 360,000 positions. 2,500 table rotation. Walk around the machine. Nice and compact, everything fully enclosed. Here we see the 60 station tool changer, we see the high pressure coolant system, 20 bar with filtration, and the swarf conveyor discharging at the rear of the machine, and the full guarding, which is quite unusual for a horizontal borer to have such extensive guarding, and a real good selling point from a health and safety point of view, with equally good access as well. Very smooth. The machine also has Renishaw TS27R tool setting, which is M-code operated. 47. This being a Hartford FANUC control, which is a 31i Expert 3, we have the dual screen facility with a lot of extra applications.
They got all the manuals.
All the manuals are on there. got all the we've got the heart cam, the TS27R information, manuals, and we've got various different apps, calibration, NC analysis, file transfer, tool tables, ebook, and code listing of everything. Yeah, so it's all extra facilities which are all included with this Hartford PBM135 Model A.